Okay guys, so if you're getting this error with Windows 11 install saying you don't have the requirements needed, basically there's two things you need to do. You need to turn TPM on and you need to also have secure boot. So in my case, I think TPM is enabled on 2.0, but secure boot isn't. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. So firstly, you want to boot into your BIOS. For me, it's F2. Okay, so here we are in the BIOS. So first of all, there's the TPM you need to configure. So on this one, I'm using the Asus Rog Strix B450 Gaming 2 motherboard. And basically, you need to go here and make sure that's enabled. It might be set to disabled or on a different setting, but just make sure that's working. And the second step is to do the secure boot. So that's here, and it's set to Windows UEFI mode. But secure boot is enabled. Then you should be good to go once you boot up into Windows. See, if you go into the computing, you can see security is enabled, and you've got the TCG2, which is what you need, and the latest spec as well. Okay, so I've figured out we need to convert MBR to GPT to switch BIOS to UEFI in Windows. See, there you go, it's a master boot record, which is an older version.